In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use fertilizer in Medieval Dynasty. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to fertilize the soil and make sure that you are sowing the seeds properly, you will have to go through multiple steps. So first, I recommend that you acquire a good amount of fertilizer through various means, and afterwards a simple bag or a standard bag. These are going to be used to apply the fertilizer and also sow the seeds. So once you acquire a bag or a simple bag, then first, all that you have to do after you set up the soil using a hoe is to equip the bag on any of your slots and right-click. By right-clicking on the bag, you will see this wheel where you can choose from various different seed types and also fertilizer. So first, choose the fertilizer as you can see at the bottom left, and then you will be able to fertilize the soil that you prepared with the hoe. As long as you have the specific amount, usually one per tile, and you choose it accordingly, you will be able to dump it in your plot. You can use your hoe again to plow, and afterwards you need to sow seeds. Again, using the bag, right-click it, choose from any of the available seeds depending on the season, and you will be able to sow them in the specific soil that you prepared. You can repeat this process on any season. As long as you have fertilizer in your inventory, you will be able to select it from the bag and choose an appropriate soil tile that was prepared using the hoe. So from the start, make sure that you use the appropriate tool to prepare the soil. Afterwards, grab your bag, choose fertilizer, dump it on the specific tile, one per tile, and then plow it again, choose the seed, and finish it up. Repeat this process as needed and you will be able to harvest it by hand or with a scythe tool. I hope I was able to help you on how to use fertilizer in Medieval Dynasty. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.